Here are the top 3 side hustles you should consider if you're looking to earn some extra income. First on the list is content creation. With platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, creating engaging content can turn your passion into a real profit. I know some of you will say I don't know how to edit videos, so I'm going to show you how you can create a full video without scripting or editing using AI. Just go to ai.invideo.io. Here, you can write what you want your video to be about, and your video will be ready to be posted and monetized.
God forbid, a fresh pair of underwear, Japan's vending machines have got you covered.
The best part is that you can create videos with your own voice and with any language you want with their voice cloning feature. Think about big creators like Mr. Beast. He's expanding his reach by creating videos in multiple languages to reach a wider audience. You can do the same with InVideo AI. With just a prompt and a click of a button, you can change the language of the entire video.
Imagina consejos municipales dirigidos por gatos o alcaldes que operan guarderías para perros.
Creating professional videos has never been easier thanks to InVideo AI. Next on the list is Social Media Manager. Being a social media manager is a great side hustle that allows you to learn the ropes of social media and gain experience in the creator economy before starting your own account. Social media managers help creators with various tasks behind the scenes, such as answering emails, reaching out to brands for partnerships, managing content calendars, and helping with creator schedules. Finally, creating thumbnails for YouTube videos. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting viewers, and many content creators are willing to pay $50 to $200 for eye-catching designs. The good news? You don't need to be a graphic design specialist to get started. Websites like Canva offer a wealth of ready-made templates that you can easily edit and customize to create awesome YouTube thumbnails.